Affiliate links or user-generated content, which makes you more money? So our client firsthand made over $150,000, over 10,000 sold on TikTok. How did they do it? Well, first you've got user-generated content. This is where you ship your product out to pretty much somebody who's going to make a video about your product. They make actual user content of them using the product, and you pay them a one-time fee. So you can see, for example, you would ship this woman a product. You pay her $100 to $300 usually per video. She'll make a really, really good video and just give it back to you, right? So this is user-generated content. You can also get it on Fiverr, right? I will create a natural video in my car. I will create videos for your brands. So again, you ship them a product, pay them. It's $109. This one's around $200, $165, $200. Like I said, around $100 to $300 per, right? And then the next one you have is going to be affiliate marketing. So Hickaway is doing affiliate marketing. They're not doing just user-generated content, because user-generated content is a bit more expensive and you get less of an ROI. So here's an example of affiliate marketing. You can see it says commission paid, and this one got around almost 100,000 likes. So what they're doing is they're giving away products to affiliates. The affiliate, their goal is to create a video that generates sales. Every sale they get commission. So they don't get paid upfront. User-generated content, they get paid upfront. They get paid just to get a product and then make a video. These ones, they get a free product, but they don't get paid upfront. They only get paid per sale. So every time they generate a sale, they get paid. So it's more of a commission, and it makes the creators a little bit hungrier to try to make a sale, to try to be creative, to try to stand out. And again, you can see in this video, she's just making it, oh, she's got the hiccups. She made a video. And again, this one went viral. Again, he got hiccups, went viral. So a lot of different ways to go viral. And it's much easier if you're incentivizing somebody instead of just paying them a one-time fee. Hey, I'll give you $1 million. Make this video. They'll make the video. It'll be great, but it's just one time. Instead, hey, every single sale you get, I'll give you $5. You can make up to $1 million. They're going to be probably making more and more videos for you for free, potentially. The only cost you really have is shipping them the product. So if your product is small and lightweight like this one, you can pretty much give a lot away for a very low price and ship it, cheap shipping, give it away for free. And as long as their videos are making sales and you have a high profit margin, it's a win-win for you. Or just one video goes viral and then your whole business changes. It could just take one video. Compared to user-generated content, it's a lot more difficult because they're not actually posting on their own channel. They're just making a video, giving it to you. You repost it on your own channel. Nobody knows who they are. The trust isn't there. So you definitely want to test out the affiliate marketing. Now, to get to affiliate marketing, you're just going to sign up for TikTok Shop. You're going to go to affiliate. And then this is where you can automatically, so you can set up, so you can go to Affiliate Center Home right here, and then you can set up affiliates where you can give away your product for free. There's also an option where they have to pay to give away your product. So you can give away your product, but they have to pay, and they don't get refunded until they generate their first sale. So that's even more incentive, but it's going to be more difficult that way. So you can set this up, test it out, right? You can see connect with 3 affiliate creators and earn $150 by cooperating with each of them, earn 16 in vouchers. So there's a lot of incentives just to work with affiliates. And, you know, it could be a great ROI, especially if you're targeting the right affiliates. Now, that's it for today's video. If you want more TikTok videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're a TikTok seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your TikTok journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on TikTok, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.